So this is a tour of our Airbnb apartment in Kingston. We are in the St. Andrew Parish and we are in apartment number 13. So I'm going to take you on a little tour. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Comes with a washer and dryer and a wash tub. TV, living room. Big shower in the first bathroom. And walk to the second bathroom. It actually has a separate shower and tub. A tub and a shower, and then there's a standing shower. Pretty good sized bathroom. It's a closet. And this is the master bedroom. It's a king size bed. There's plenty of windows. And closet.